morning. You guys are watching me about to start my coffee smoothie this morning. So I got some non-brand regular roasted coffee. I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon of it. I'm gonna add water, a cup. I'm gonna add about 6 dates. They're pitted. They don't have the pits in them. Pitted, like I said, pitted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have some frozen bananas. I'm going to add about 2 to it. I'm also going to add some but some frozen pineapples. And I'm also going to add those strawberries that you see. And I'm about to blend. This is my coffee smoothie. It's done. Look at it. Looks like ice cream. Can't wait to taste it. Just a few ingredients. I use dates. I use about 6 dates. I use about a handful of strawberries, and I also use like a handful of frozen. Frozen pineapples. So the pineapples was frozen, and the strawberries was also frozen. So I used about a handful of it. Coffee. I use about a half a teaspoon of coffee to 1 cup. I use a cup of water, and I put it in the blend tag, and now I got delicious coffee smoothie. Yeah, from my kitchen. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Have a great day.